Here's the railing, and what a beaut it is. As you can see, it's dark. Still have that crap to do. All right. Hello, Harry. Look at that beauty.
My pants down.
Oh,
I
sorry.
love it.
Beauty. Good morning. Okay. Well, we're here one last day. Have to finish this up. I'm going to be putting a piece of flashing over this. I've carefully removed the nails from the asbestos siding. I have the piece of flashing already cut and drying there, painted. And then we have to do this, which I'm not sure how we're going to do yet. It was yesterday's project from hell. I have to caulk that, but it turned out pretty nice. Harry did a good job on the walls. New window. Nice. That's really nice. And nicely painted in the front. Excellent. Okay. And there is our, what you call it, railing. All right. That would have come in handy yesterday. So there we go. So I got this in, and now I'm going to take this, which is a gray turd. Now it's electrical conduit putty, and I'm going to shove it in the larger holes. Alright, caulked and pullers, electrical putty, done. That was a pain in the butt. Okay, dare I say I'm finished. So I did some of the electrical putty around that window as well. I siliconed the crack, and then finished up the piece of flashing. Not the most beautiful work, but it will work. Also puttied that up nicely. Found a little trick that if you use silicone on your fingers and move the putty, it smooths it nicely. Alright, so now I have to clean up this disaster, but I want to go watch the Masters. So that's it for now. Time to clean up, I hope. I'm going to go and look at the sheet and see if there's anything else left in the sheet to do. I hope there isn't.